everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the latest updates around Samsung One UI 7. Now, both of these devices sitting in front of me received the regular server update for Samsung One UI 7 with Android 15 in the United States back on April 10th, and then it was stopped, paused, taken off the servers, and I assume with this update here it's going to re-release with the bugs fixed, which is this update here. Because this update isn't all that large. It's 438 megabytes. This one's 441 megabytes. We still have the April 1st security patch. The version ends with BYD9. And so with this right here, fixing the stability, reliability, the security, I think that this right here, now that these phones get updated, I think both of these devices will be put back onto the regular servers for updates. Because if you take a look at additional devices, this is what was pushed out and rolled out today, which is the One UI 7 update is rolling out to the Galaxy S23 series, the S24 FE, the Tab S10, and the Tab S9 series. Now, this could be Korea alone, and then it reaches, the rest of the countries. Maybe this could also be including the United States starting today. If it's not starting today, I would assume it coming here within 2 or 3 days for these devices, which is probably the same timeline as anybody else who owns the Flip 6, the Fold 6, as well as the S24 series to get this full update with the bug fix included with that update. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to resume these downloads, and what I'll do is after this update I'll take a look to see what has changed. I'm going to take a look at different applications and services versions. I also want to see if this up here was also fixed. So my bug when it comes down over into taking a look at the sports is that if I was to swipe off, it always comes right back up to the very top. So whenever this game is live and it's actually ongoing, every single time I swipe off, it comes right back up, which it shouldn't do that. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for these things to pop right back on, and then we'll take a look at some applications and services to see what new versions we have with this update. And again, I assume that this is a hot fix update, not a second update for Samsung One UI 7, but this is a hot fix update that will then launch the full running update to these devices here within the next coming days or hours. But it's at this point in the video I like to state, if you're brand new here at the channel, Jimmy is promo, you appreciate these tips, tricks, tutorials, and the latest information on your Samsung Galaxy devices, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell for notifications to get notified for all future videos. So since these ones are still updating, I want to show you something really cool. This is the leaked version of Samsung One UI 8 Weather Widget. Now, this is a APK that I was able to download, and it just kind of shows you just how different it is. All the rest of this full application right here, as you scroll through, it's all pretty much the exact same, except for the animations. It's the full entire screen, it's different colors, and you can definitely tell on the top left, if it's cloudy, if it's windy, if it's rainy, if it's snowy. So I did actually get a small little video clip of pretty much all of that. So we'll just take a look at it really quick, just in case if you missed that video. Again, it was a random upload time for me. I've uploaded a couple as of the recording of this video here. So here you can see the partly cloudy animation. Soon you'll also be able to see what happens if it's raining or snowing. So this one I think is North Dakota. They were or they had snow this morning. So you can see it's the full entire screen. They placed their hand out to kind of feel it. And then next up, it should be the rain with a umbrella. And again, it takes up the full entire screen, not just the very top. And also too, what you can do is, let's say that we go over into the settings. So if you tap down over here, you go to the very top. When you go inside of the settings, this is where you can change some of the units. So you can actually have it either as metric, imperial, or hybrid. So if you like Celsius in miles per hour, you can use this. Or if you want Fahrenheit, inches, miles per hour, however you would like it to be set up. And you can also tap on this option here that says do not sell my personal information. So this is what you have to look forward to when it comes down over into Samsung One UI 8, which is better looking, better animated applications. Now that the update is done and complete, we'll take a look at a few applications and services. We don't have to take a look at the Samsung mobile security page for everything that happened on the back end since we've already done that earlier this month. One thing that I can't take a look at right now is that live notifications for sports, because now that I took it away and I swiped it off, it's not going to come back on again because the game hasn't started just yet. It actually starts at 6:40, so I can't test to see if it's going to stay up there. What happened beforehand is that every time I swiped it off, it came right back up. I swiped it off again and then it came right back up. And so it never went away. so I'm not able to test that one with this one. I do want to take a look though over at the Samsung Galaxy Store first, just because I saw a few applications updating once this thing turned on, and there was quite a few applications sitting inside of here. Right now it only says 8 applications, and if you haven't taken a look inside of here for the last 5 to 7 days, there is quite a few. There was several of them that was updated sitting up in here since April 21st, which was yesterday. So again, take a look inside of here, see what has popped up. If I take a look at my gallery really quick, here's the screenshots. This is what I did right before the update. You can see that there is a lot of applications sitting there, and now several of them has gone away. So when you do update this phone here, there is a few brand new applications and services that comes with it, but then there's a few that you have to do manually. So we're going to do this one. And another thing that I also saw before the update was that there is a new version of the lock screen. So you can see here, I took a screenshot of it right before the update as well. The brand new Samsung One UI lock screen, there is a new version that was supposed to be there. So we'll take a look to see if it is still there in order, for us to still update. So this is where now we'll take a look at a few applications and services. Let's just take a look at the home screen. So as we scroll on down, we take a look at Samsung One UI Home. Before the update, it was 16.0.0529. Looks like it's the same version for Samsung Home, 16.0.0529. We'll also take a look at Gallery. So before the update on this one, the version was 15.6.01.18. So exact same version there, so no change for the gallery. I do want to take a look to see if there's a newer version for Secure Folder. I kind of hope that there is. So for this one, before the update, it was 1.9.40.10. So 1.9.40.10, so no new version there, which my guess of what was fixed when it comes down to secure folder, because there was a problem with it, which was if you took photos inside of Secure Folder, when you get out of it, sometimes your album or your gallery is trying to create highlights. And so your highlights would actually show up on the outside of the screen over here, which is a security flaw where you don't want your Secure Folder to be shown on the regular side of the phone. And I believe that has something to do with the newer version of the Samsung One UI lock screen. Now we'll take a look at the lock screen just to see if there's a new version there. So we're going to scroll down, and with this one, you go to lock screen and always on display. You go to about lock screen, and here it looks as if the latest version was installed. So with this update, it installed the latest version of the One UI lock screen, which I assume is probably fixing the bug from the Secure Folder to the regular side of the phone. And then the last thing I want to take a look at here is the camera. Again, curious if there's a newer version there. Originally, it was 15.0.01.71. This one's now 15.0.02.36. So there is a new version of camera. So my guess with this update for the camera, I didn't see any bugs, but I believe that they probably went for a better stability release of the camera for Samsung One UI 7 for these devices. Now, just for fun, I want to check the charging animation, make sure that we kept the one that we like. So we do have the one that we like. Originally on the Galaxy S25 series, it says charging and then the Thunderbolt and then the number. So we still have the good version there. And I just have to check. Let's go over inside of YouTube Music. And for this one, let's make sure that we have our notification that goes on the very top. And there we go. So we have it on the very top. You can take a look at it. So I'm really hoping that at some point the Galaxy S25 series will get this update here, so then we can have that live notification on the top, so I can get rid of my little music widget that is sitting right here. So that is it for this video. I assume that this update for the Galaxy S24 series, the Fold 6, the Flip 6, that is the hot fix update of whatever was causing them to pull it off of the server. That means that it has now all been fixed, which means that hopefully all of these devices that we just spoke about will be added to the server right now for a live launch of Samsung One UI 7 rollout again. And it's also going to be in line with these devices either today or the coming days, because it says starting today, the One UI 7 update is rolling out to the S23 series, the S24 FE, the Galaxy Tab S10, and the Tab S9. Now I do have the Tab S9 Ultra, so I'll wait for that one. So my guess is I'll probably see it hopefully maybe in 2 or 3 days, because this is probably the global launch first, which goes to Korea first. United States usually always gets it 2 or 3 days later. So remember, keep that in mind. But I assume with this update here, we're going to see everybody with the S24 series, the Flip 6 and the Fold 6 also seeing this full push of release of the One UI 7 again. And this time with everything fixed, hopefully no snags, no bumps in the roads. But if you guys appreciated this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.